Practice set 17.1. Question number 1. In a circle with center P, chord AB is drawn of a length 13 cm, segment PQ perpendicular chord AB, then find length of QB. Let us write the answer. First we will write what things are given. Here given things are length of AB is equal to 13 cm, segment PQ perpendicular chord AB. We have to use their property of a chord of a circle, and that is a perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to its chord bisects the chord. Therefore, length of QB is equal to half of the length of AB. We will put the value of AB is equal to 13 cm. Therefore, length of QB is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 13. Now what is the half of 13? It is 6.5. Therefore, length of QB is equal to 6.5 cm, and that is our required answer. Question number 2. Radius of a circle with center O is 25 cm. Find the distance of a chord from the center if length of the chord is 48 cm. Question number 2. Radius of a circle with center O is 25 cm. Find the distance of a chord from the center if length of the chord is 48 cm. Let us write the answer. First we will write the given things. Length of OD is equal to 25 cm. Length of CD, which is a chord, is equal to 48 cm. Segment OP perpendicular to chord CD. The perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to its chord bisects the chord. Therefore, length of PD is equal to half of the length of CD. Put the value of CD, which is 48 cm. Therefore, length of PD is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 48. Now what is the half of 48? Yes, it is 24. Therefore, length of PD is equal to 24 cm. In a right angle triangle OPD, by Pythagoras theorem, length of OD square is equal to length of OP square plus length of PD square. Put the values. Therefore, 25 square is equal to length of OP square plus 24 square. Square of 25 is 625 is equal to length of OP square plus we have taken square of 24 is 576. Now we will take OP square is on one side and other numbers on other side. Therefore, length of OP square is equal to 625 minus 576. After subtraction, we get length of OP square is equal to 49. Square root of 49 is 7. Hence, length of OP is equal to 7. Therefore, final statement is distance of the chord from the center is 7 cm. Question number 3. O is center of a circle. Find the length of radius if the chord of length 24 cm is at a distance of 9 cm from the center of the circle. Here figure is given. Let us write the answer. First one is given. Length of AB is equal to 24 cm. Segment OP is perpendicular to chord AB. Length of OP is equal to 9 cm. By the property of chord of a circle, the perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to its chord bisects the chord. Therefore, length of AP is equal to half of the length of AB. Therefore, length of AP is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 24, and half of the 24 is 12. Therefore, length of AP is equal to 12 cm. Now, in a right angle triangle OPA, by Pythagoras theorem, length of OA square is equal to length of OP square plus length of AP square. Put the values. Therefore, length of OA square is equal to 9 square plus 12 square. Write the squares of these numbers. Therefore, length of OA square is equal to 81 plus 144. Addition of these two numbers comes 225. Let us find the square root of 225. Therefore, length of OA is equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of the circle is 15 centimeter. Question number 4. C is the center of the circle whose radius is 10 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center if the length of the chord is 12 centimeter. In this question, figure is not given, so by this information we will draw our own figure. Here is the figure. Here I have taken chord PD, which is 12 centimeter. Radius PC I have taken 10 centimeter, and in the question it is asked find the distance of the chord from the center. So we have to find this distance of the chord from the center, that is CL. So let us write the answer. First property, the perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to its chord bisect the chord. Take the figure for reference. Now length of PL is equal to half of the length of PD. Put the value of PD. Therefore, length of PL is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 12. We know that half of the 12 is 6. Therefore, length of PL is equal to 6 centimeter. Let us consider in a right angle triangle PCL by Pythagoras theorem, length of PC square is equal to length of CL square plus length of PL square. Put the values. Therefore, 10 square is equal to length of CL square plus 6 square. We'll write the squares of the given numbers. We get 100 is equal to length of CL square plus 36. In the next step, we take CL square on the left side is equal to 100 minus 36, and we get subtraction 64. Therefore, length of CL square is equal to 64. Now we will take the square root of 64, which is 8. Therefore, length of CL is equal to 8 centimeter. Final statement. Therefore, distance of the chord from the center is 8 centimeter. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.